the internet is growing so fast that it's something that, and it's so widely used by so many people. You just need a smartphone. You don't even need a computer anymore. And you know that because of all of this, because so many people use it to express their views, I think it's really important that it has come, that at least it's there in writing that yes, the freedom of speech extends to the internet, and you can't have this blanket provision that was so vague that essentially criminalized putting up anything on the internet. It didn't criminalize an act or a crime, a specific thing. The fact that you put it on the internet is essentially what it wanted to do, because obviously someone out there will find what you put up annoying, grossly offensive, or just doesn't like it. A lot of people are very abusive, are downright abuse her. Just it's crass. It's very bad. But the thing is that you have to, I think, to an extent, it's there. You have to ignore it because it is their right to express their views, the good and the bad. You only exercise your right to free speech when your view is in the minority, yes. But in this case, I feel that if it does get too much, there are laws. Yeah, I'm not saying that you should have no restrictions to free speech, but the thing is that I think it's stupid, and I'm sure she knows this, that she isn't the reason why they lost. Section 66A it was so vague. I mean, basically the constituents of a crime under the section were if it was annoying, if something's annoying, if it's grossly offensive, of menacing character. These words are so subjective, firstly, and they just, as the judges pointed out, they can't be defined. How can you define annoyance? It's such a subjective thing. How can you define it? How can you define grossly offensive? What is your bar in a society that's changing like ours? That it really, I think it shocked the judges. And when I initially filed it, and we mentioned it before Justice, the then Chief Justice Altamas Kabir, he also said, why did it take someone so long to file? We wanted to take suo motu action. So I think the courts were also outraged at that point as to why these arrests were happening.